everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we're going to be unboxing a really cool 2021 Hot Wheels from the Then and Now series, number 2 of 10. This is the Nissan GT-R R35 2017 model. And last time I unboxed one of these was on my previous channel, which I abandoned. And this is my main diecast channel now. When I unboxed this one on the previous channel, it got almost 3,000 views. Like, wow, okay. So the Then and Now series is a series of 10 cars, like 5 newer ones and 5 older ones, and the newer and older have their counterparts. For example, like Nissan GT-R has a newer counterpart and the older counterpart. These are both from the same series for 2021. And then they recolor everything. So like it's like 20 cars in total if you want to get the entire set. And there's also a treasure hunt, which I actually got. And I will be opening that up soon, but thankfully I got a bunch of duplicates so I can just open that one up without any worries. 79 of 250 on the year. Sorry I've been talking all this through all this. GTC 70 is the number. Let's get this out of the packaging. Let's see. Would you consider that a clean open? Let's see if I can, like, without ripping it. Yeah, I'd say that is clean enough. Alright. I will count it as a clean open. Been on a really dry streak lately. Just an absolutely magnificent car. I love this one with the black 10-spoke wheels. Before I give you a closer look, I'm going to compare the two colors for 2021. How do you like them? Which way do you like better? Well, this is actually one of my favorite castings for 2021. Because it's got, well, first of all, it's a great looking casting. Second of all, check out the details on this. This is like almost premium level of detail. You can see the GT-R on there. Usually normal for a mainline vehicle, but then we got like these headlights from the interior that it connects to. But then on top of that, we have a stripe. Just a magnificent casting. I really like it. And painted taillights. I love those taillights. There's the Hot Wheels license plate. It's a license plate that says Hot Wheels on it. Pretty cool. Loving the lights on this vehicle. Spoiler, metal spoiler, and antenna, stuff like that. Beautiful casting. I love it. Great addition to my collection. And I only scored this. I got this yesterday, actually, at my Shaw's. This casting was first designed in 2016. The first version came out in 2017. And the Nissan GT-R R35. I'm talking about the Hot Wheels casting, 2016 Hot Wheels casting. First came out in 2017, but it was designed in 2016. And this vehicle is made in Malaysia. Malaysia, yes. Comment if you know where Malaysia is. Of course I know where Malaysia is. Just wanted to test your knowledge on geography. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel. It would really help me out a lot. Thanks so much again. Please subscribe to the channel for more. And if you have any suggestions for a future unboxing video, please let me know and I'll tag you in that video. And I'll give you a shout out. Bye-bye.